Hello, little learners. Welcome back. Let's practice easy English sentences we use every day. Listen carefully and speak loudly. Wake up!
Wake up!
Good morning!
Good morning!
Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth.
Wash your face.
Wash your face.
Comb your hair.
Comb your hair.
Take a bath.
Take a bath.
Wear your clothes.
Wear your clothes.
Wear your shoes.
Wear your shoes.
Eat your breakfast.
Eat your breakfast.
Drink your milk.
Drink your milk.
Pack your school bag.
Pack your school bag.
Hurry up.
Hurry up.
Let's go to school.
Let's go to school.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Don't be late.
Don't be late.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Open your book.
Open your book.
Close your book.
Close your book.
Read carefully.
Read carefully.
Write neatly.
Write neatly.
Listen to the teacher.
Listen to the teacher.
Raise your hand.
Raise your hand.
Be quiet.
Be quiet.
Answer the question.
Answer the question.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together.
Draw a picture.
Draw a picture.
Color the page.
Color the page.
Keep trying.
Keep trying.
Share your toys.
Share your toys.
Play nicely.
Play nicely.
Wait for your turn.
Wait for your turn.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Sit properly.
Sit properly.
Eat slowly.
Eat slowly.
Finish your food.
Finish your food.
Drink water.
Drink water.
Don't spill the food.
Don't spill the food.
Use your spoon.
Use your spoon.
Chew your food.
Chew your food.
Eat healthy food.
Eat healthy food.
Do you want more?
Do you want more?
Let's play!
Let's play!
Throw the ball.
Throw the ball.
Catch the ball.
Catch the ball.
Run fast.
Run fast.
Jump high.
Jump high.
Ride your bicycle.
Ride your bicycle.
Fly the kite.
Fly the kite.
Build a tower.
Build a tower.
Play with blocks.
Play with blocks.
Let's dance.
Let's dance.
Sing a song.
Sing a song.
Clap your hands.
Clap your hands.
Don't push.
Don't push.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Clean your room.
Clean your room.
Pick up your toys.
Pick up your toys.
Help your parents.
Help your parents.
Open the door.
Open the door.
Close the window.
Close the window.
Turn on the light.
Turn on the light.
Turn off the fan.
Turn off the fan.
Bring the pillow.
Bring the pillow.
Fold your clothes.
Fold your clothes.
Keep it here.
Keep it here.
Please help me.
Please help me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Say hello.
Say hello.
Say goodbye.
Say goodbye.
Be kind.
kind.
Share with others.
Share with others.
I am happy.
I am happy.
I am sad.
I am sad.
I'm hungry.
I am hungry.
I am thirsty.
I am thirsty.
I am sleepy.
I am sleepy.
I am tired.
I am tired.
I feel sick.
I feel sick.
I'm excited.
I'm excited.
I'm scared.
I am scared.
I love my family.
I love my family.
Let's go outside.
Let's go outside.
Look at the bird.
Look at the bird.
Water the plants.
Water the plants.
Feed the dog.
Feed the dog.
Watch the butterfly.
Watch the butterfly.
Don't run on the road.
Don't run on the road.
Hold my hand.
Hold my hand.
Cross the street carefully.
Cross the street carefully.
Wear your cap.
Wear your cap.
It's raining.
It's raining.
96. Eat your dinner.
Eat your dinner.
Go to bed.
Go to bed.
Sleep well.
Sleep well.
Good night. Sweet dreams.
Good night. Sweet dreams.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Great job, little learners. Keep practicing every day. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.